When placing a bid on the Empty Skins auction, you are bidding on an ERC 1155 Chrysalis. After the close of auction, a reveal portal will open for holders of the Chrysalis to burn their NFT and reveal their Empty Skins avatar. The Empty Skins auction is a unique structure in which the final price of the NFTs is determined after all bids are placed to arrive at the single best price at which all NFTs will be sold. All bidders select the quantity of skins they wish to purchase and enter the price they are willing to pay per NFT above the minimum bid. Once all bids are in, the smart contract determines the lowest price that will sell out the entire collection. This price becomes the purchase price that all winning bidders pay, even if they've submitted a higher offer. At the close of auction, a determined price is withdrawn from the winning bidders' wallets in exchange for one ERC 1155 Chrysalis per quantity of NFTs selected during bidding. MetaTope pays the gas. Here's an example of how the auction works. Let's say our drop has 5 mintable NFTs and there are the following bidders. Bidder A wants to buy one NFT at a price of 1 ETH per NFT. Bidder B wants to buy 2 NFTs at a price of 0.9 ETH per NFT. Bidder C wants to buy 2 NFTs at a price of 0.8 ETH per NFT. And bidder D wants to buy 1 NFT at a price of 0.6 ETH per NFT. Bidders A, B, and C combine to purchase 5 NFTs at the highest bids. Since there are only 5 NFTs available, bidder D is out. Since the lowest bid to make the cutoff is 0.8 ETH per NFT, 0.8 ETH becomes the price for everyone with a winning bid. Happy bidding. Good luck.